So you run your own business and you're self-employed. Here are the things that you need to know about getting a loan approval to purchase a home. Hi there, it's Janni, Realtor and Broker Associate at Home Legacy Realty, and I help families just like yours buy and sell real estate here in Southwest Florida. Now, if you're new to this channel, I'd love for you to hit that subscribe button because I post about all things real estate and living in the area. And if you hit that notification bell, you'll be the first to know when I post a new video. In today's video, we're going to talk about what it takes to get a loan approval when you're self-employed and you own your business. We're here with Chris, and he's going to tell us all about it.
Hi, I'm Chris Fulton with Movement Mortgage. One of the questions I get pretty regularly is, hey, I'm self-employed, can I purchase a home? So the answer is yes. What you'll need is to have owned that company for 2 years or more. There can't be any breaks or switching of companies or even company names. It's got to be the same company for 2 years. You're going to need personal returns and business tax returns to show your income, because they're going to use a 2-year average of your income based on your tax return. So what I like to tell people is it's what you claim to the government that you make is what you can use as income for a mortgage. So,
really important.
Yeah, so with self-employed, it comes down to, your write-offs. And of course, you have business expenses and you should be able to write those off, but when it comes to a mortgage, it's all about after those, so the net, not the gross. So they'll use a 2-year average, so 24 months. So you take the 18 and 19 returns, the income that you claimed, and then you would add those together and then just divide by 24, and that's the amount of income that you can use per month for a mortgage.
Okay, so what if I had my own business and I was self-employed and now I'm a W-2 employee and that was within the past couple years?
That's a great question. So I get that question all the time. What if I'm switching from being self-employed, owning my own business, to being a W-2 employee for somebody else? So that's great as long as you have a 2-year work history in the same field. If you're switching from being self-employed to a W-2, all you would need is your first 30 days pay stubs or an offer letter or a combination of both from the new employer. So that makes it kind of a lot easier if you're switching to a W-2 position. Now, if it's the opposite, where you're switching from a W-2 to being self-employed, you would need a full 2 years in your new business in order to qualify.
Yeah, so you would need to plan for that.
Yeah.
That is really great information. The other thing is that everybody's situation is just a little bit different. So to find out exactly how your situation stacks up, the best thing to do is leave the questions in the comment section below and give Chris a call, because he can look at your specific situation and tell you what's the best thing to do. If you have any more questions, don't hesitate to reach out to us, and we'll see you on the next video.